RCV Toolkit facilitates the creation of three-dimensional bounding boxes. This option can be enabled by activating the 3D Bounding Boxes button in the topic and clicking Save. Please note that this feature has to be activated before starting the annotation process. Now, let us perform the annotation in Label Tool. Navigate to the images in the Label tool directly from the cockpit using this button. Click and drag the mouse to create a 3D bounding box. The size of the box can be altered by a click and drag of the control points. Additionally, the front and back faces of the boxes can be modified by click and drag. Let us save this box. Going back to the cockpit and reloading the page, one sees the updated statistics. The 3D Bounding Boxes button is now disabled since a combination of two-dimensional and three-dimensional bounding boxes is not supported. For bookkeeping or specialized model creation, it may sometimes be necessary to tag each bounding box with depth information or a tracking ID. These functionalities can be activated by these buttons here and clicking Save. Navigate to the images in Label tool. One can see that the pre-existing bounding boxes now have two additional fields. Enter your desired values in the fields and click Save. When no values are provided, the fields remain empty.